G'day friends, and welcome to our Sunday share with Robbie and myself. It's Vicky Wright, and welcome also to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting a new lot of DSP, and I'm going to be creating with the Country Lace DSP. It's one of the papers that is on special for the month of August with 15% off. Okay, so along with that, I thought we might bring in a create weekly sketch layout. This is it here. Just let me fix this up a bit. Looks, I think I'm going to have to get a new stand somehow. Okay, let's go with that. So yeah, with the Create Weekly, I've started these again, and we're starting from the scratch. So I'm up to number 3, and this is our layout that I'm going to be using for our card today. Okay, so it's going to be a quick and simple, easy card, which I have done some elements to already. Okay, so we're going to be using thick basic white as our base card. So we'll just burnish along that scored line. And along with the paper, we're going to be playing with, oh, here it is, Spotlight on Nature bundle. And that includes the stamp set as well as the dies. And for the life of me, oh, here they are, for the dies. So with the dies, you get a lot of different size circles. And the circles have different shapes on the outside of them. It's a really great set of dies actually. So that's our bundle that we're playing with. Okay, and of course I've already pre-die cut the circle we want. I know on the sketch it does have an oval, but you can have any shape that you wish there. Okay. So first up, we're going to put everything together. This is for the inside of our card. So we're going to stick these 2 pieces together. Now you could also use the opposite side, excuse me, which is the Misty Moonlight, but I'm going to go for the pink side, which is the petal pink side. And I love dots, so. And we're layering it onto a piece of smoky slate cardstock. And then we're going to put this straight onto our base card. Now, our September class is all about this bundle, so it's one of the reasons why I'm featuring it, because I thought I'd give you a couple more ideas on how to use this bundle. Okay, and I'll have the link to the class that you're able to purchase in the description below. You do have 3 options, so you can choose whichever option suits you. So we're going to do that. We've done that. Now I've already pre-stamped and fussy cut this leaf. I love this leaf actually. That leaf. And I did it in smoky slate. And we're going to put that there. And we're just going to put that there like that. Okay, So we'll stick this down first. I stamped it in the wrong colour there. We're not going to pop this leaf up. We're just going to do that. And we are going to pop up this circle. Now also below in the description I will have a link to my blog where you'll find all the details on this card, as well as a link to Robbie's card as well. Now she's been playing with, I think it's Thoughtful Journey. I keep forgetting, but I'm sure it's that. I'm just going to put that onto the side, I think. Just like that. Okay. Now, for our sentiment, it does have a couple of sentiments in here, but I'm going to turn this into a happy birthday. And I've pulled out one of my favourite sentiment stamps. And that is the Simply Said from the annual catalogue. And we're just going to grab the happy birthday, grab our block, whoops, oh, it's not sticking. Okay. I'm just going to test this on scrap paper first. Whoops. That's pretty good. Then we'll bring in our scrap of basic white. And I'm just going to stamp this sort of smack in the middle, but it won't be smack in the middle at the moment because I'm going to chop it back from the right side. That's pretty good. I decided to do this with Misty Moonlight because I just wanted a little bit of the blue, I think, coming into the card. So we're going to put this across. Now, I'm not very good at cutting a straight line, so let's, fingers crossed. That looks pretty good to me. And we're going to pop this up, eh? And that should be enough. Actually, I don't need it in the middle. Let's see how we go. I'm actually going to put a little bit of glue across the middle. I could pop it up, but I would have to put double dimensionals either side, because remembering that we've popped this up, the circle. And I'm hoping, yeah. They're okay. Actually, I don't like that. I am actually going to start again. always happens to me. I change my mind. To easily remove your dimensionals, all I do is just roll it. And they come off really easy. So we are going to pop it up in the middle. I just felt it looked a little bit too flat. Okay. That's better. That's that. Then we're going to bring in some the natural tones linen thread. Now this is from the mini catalogue, which I can't show you at the moment. And I think it might be Night and Navy, but it will tone in. If I can find the start. That might be it, yeah. So we're just going to tie a little bow. Very fine actually. Let's do a double bow, eh? Whoops. Because it's so fine, I think a double bow will look better. Okay, so then we'll grab our mini glue dots. And I'm actually going to put the mini glue dot straight onto our card. Well, I'm going to try. Whoops, I'll just get a pair of scissors, just a sec. Those scissors don't cut very well. Jeez, I seem to be all thumbs today. And we'll just put that there, I think. Now you could have used the flower image if you wanted to. That would still look nice. But I just wanted the leaf. I wanted to sort of highlight the paper as well. Then to finish it off, what we're going to do is bring in our, what are these called? These are called the Basic Grey and Smoky Slate Pearls, okay? Sorry about that noise, I forgot to put everything on silent. And we'll use, let's use our Smoky Slate, eh? See how we go. Oh, I'm trying to remove that. I thought it was a mark, but it's actually where I've cut it. Whoops. Whoops. And that is nearly our card finish. But of course, we've got to do our inside. Yep, that. I'll just trim a bit off that. Looks looks a little bit too long. Oh no, it's right. Okay, doke. So what we're going to do, I usually use leftover scraps of DSP in my cards, but I thought for something different, let's stamp our leaf in Misty Moonlight. There's nothing to say that we have to have, we can't have a blue leaf. Maybe they do exist somewhere in the world, I'm not too sure. My Misty Moonlight's very juicy. There you go. And I'll just draw this a little bit, and then we'll stick this into the inside of our card. Now I'm not having a layer on this, but if you recreate it, by all means do your layers. I like white on white, so I'm just going to be very careful. And that's our inside of our card, and that is our card today, using number 3. Okie dokie. So as I said, click on the link below for my blog, and that's where you'll find a blog to a link to Robbie's blog. Okay, and thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy your week. See ya. All right.